The Auto Man here. Today we're talking about purchasing that used vehicle that you want to pick up. When you're purchasing a new vehicle, obviously it's not that important. You're buying a vehicle with a warranty that comes with it for years and miles. But when purchasing a used vehicle, we want to make sure you get a quality vehicle. At the West Automotive Group, one of the things that we strongly recommend is what we call a AAA pre-purchase inspection. There's quite a few items that get checked on the vehicle, and from doing so, we can often help prevent you from purchasing a vehicle that will cost you a lot after the purchase. We often see vehicles come in with things such as bad radiator hoses that have never been serviced, maintenance items that have never been serviced on a vehicle, which could be very minor or could be extremely expensive from failure to do so over a long time, all the way down to brake concerns, belts, servicing, like I said, leaking items on the vehicle. All these items can end up costing a person that buys a used vehicle quite a bit of money. So we want to inspect the vehicle properly prior to you purchasing it, therefore saving you money in the long run. The only other item we recommend at the West Automotive Group is a Carfax to make sure there's been no serious accidents. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.